Today I am doing my first ever collaboration with a natural hair brand, and I'm so excited. This is a black owned business, you guys, so I advise you to check them out. Check out their products. They have some great things on this line. Shenanigans hairtique, you guys. Today I am using their moisturizing shampoo, and I am so excited about this. Okay, so the ingredients are castle soap, glycerin, peppermint, apricot kernel, the Shenanigans leave-in conditioner. It is a hair softener and moisturizer, so I'm going to get double moisture today. And the ingredients in this product is shea butter, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, almond oil, and vitamin E. So it's packed with all of the best ingredients for natural hair. And then I have a Detangling Brush by Shenanigans hairtique. I've never had one of these before, and I'm so excited to use it. Okay, so I'm in the shower and ready to wash my hair. So the first thing I'm going to do is let it get damp for you guys. Okay, so now I'm going to take the shampoo by Shenanigans hairtique. And I'm going to take the shampoo by Shenanigans hairtique, and I'm going to get a generous amount here. You guys can see here. Oh gosh, I love it already. It is, ooh. Okay, so I can smell the peppermint, and it smells amazing here. And it, you know, peppermint is astringent, so it's going to open up my scalp. And my hair feels really, really good with it too. Ooh, yes, I love it already. I love the moisture, because when my hair is moisturized, it's going to curl completely up. So now, I've grabbed some more shampoo here, and I'm going to put it in my hair and lather it. Okay, and I'm going to do one more wash in it. Ooh, my scalp is opened up. It feels so freaking good, you guys. It feels really, really good right now. My scalp is open. Wow. And it's moisturizing it too, and I can tell because it's making my hair more manageable. Like when you lock the moisture in your hair, it gets those curls, and it coats them basically, to me, and it makes them less frizzy. Like you can tell that the shampoo is doing what it needs to do. I love it. Look at my hair. Feels really, really good. Feels very clean, very, very clean. Okay, so now it's washed. Very clean. My scalp is wide open. It feels really, really, really good, good, good. Hold on. My hair is clean now, you guys. From washing, as you can see, very, very clean. My scalp is opened up, and it feels good. This is what my hair looks like when it's wet and not detangled. Very clean wash. Scalp is open. Feels amazing. This is what it feels like after it's just been washed. I mean, this is what it looks like. It's very soft. It feels really, really good. Okay, so now I got the leave-in conditioner. I have a generous amount of it because I wanted to coat my hair like heavily. Got it worked up in my hands. Okay, so I put the leave-in conditioner in my hair, and I want you guys to see how my hair is acting with the products in it. Like, I can literally work my way through my hair with no problem. It's very manageable. It's moisturized, as you can see. And it feels really, really good. Like, y'all don't understand. My scalp feels amazing right now. And now I'm going to take the Detangling Brush and kind of try to work through it here. Oh, okay, brush. Y'all see that? Okay. Okay. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna show y'all while it's wet, really, really wet, what it does. Oh yeah. Okay. Get a small piece and run that brush through there. It's gonna get every curl. I don't gotta do it too many times. Yeah, this is it. As you can see, with no problem, I can go and get those kinks out with no problem. I'm satisfied with it. I'm in love with it, actually. I like the results. I like how my hair feels and looks without even being, you know, fully dressed. Like, you have to get your hair dressed when you're natural. Like, you have to put the products in it. You have to do a lot to have the look that you go for with your natural hair. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys me using the brush because it's really, look. Just look. I can even use it this way. And it's going right through my hair. Okay. Okay, girl. Oh, look at there. This is the easiest detangling I've ever done. And I'm doing it in the shower just while it's wet because it's easier for me. I know some people, they really take their time, but I want to show y'all the raw, the real. Look at that. Look at that brush. Getting every curl. Getting everything smoothed out and undetangled. I'm actually going to undetangle my whole head right now because that's just how easy it is. Yeah. Yeah, this brush is it. That's this side detangled. That's all the way to the scalp too. Okay, so I'm going to show you the back. Back is where my coarse hair is. Like, my back hair is really killing me. But yeah, here we go. Look at it getting those kinks out. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look at that. It gets right in there and gets that stuff done. That I have detangled it, put the leave-in conditioner in, and washed it. So this is what I'm getting from just using the hairtique moisturizing shampoo and the hairtique. Just using the hairtique moisturizing shampoo and using the hairtique conditioner here. This is what it came out to look like after shampooing. So hair is clean. I'm satisfied. It's lightweight. It's moisturized, as you can see, because my texture is definitely popping out. The detangling brush is I think it's a staple tool at this point for me. I will be continuing to use this brush, and I will be continuing to use this product. So this is how much shedding I have using the detangling brush. Not much, as you can see, but it's going to shed, of course, because I have colored hair. But this video, I hope it helps some people. If you're looking for a hair brand to try, I would try Shenanigans hairtique. You will love the shampoo, and you will love the leave-in conditioner, packed with wonderful ingredients. And as you can see, the results on my hair after using it and washing it and using that leave-in conditioner, I am very satisfied with the end results here. Very, very satisfied. My hair is detangled using the detangle brush, so take from it what you will. You know what I'm saying? Take from it what you will. This is a great product. Shenanigans hairtique. This moisturizing shampoo is amazing. This leave-in conditioner, it's amazing. Y'all, my scalp feels so good right now. And I also use the detangle brush. Perfect combo. Just, if you haven't tried it yet, I suggest you get on board, because Shenanigans hairtique moisturizing shampoo and this leave-in conditioner, the #1 hair softener and moisturizer. My hair is soft, it is moisturizing, my scalp is breathing because of this moisturizing shampoo. I love it. And this detangle brush made like a 30-minute job 10 minutes. This was nothing. This made my hair easy to manage. So I'm going to do a wash and go style. I've done everything I needed as far as cleaning and moisturizing my hair with this leave-in conditioner, and I've already detangled it. So now I'm going to go in and do a little style for you guys and show you what I do when I'm getting ready really quickly, but not really quickly, but show you what I do on a wash and go style on an average day. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already clicked off my video and checked on this brand, go do it now. Shenanigans hairtique, their moisturizing shampoo, and their leave-in conditioner, their detangle brush. Check it out. Great products. I loved it. And thank you, Shenanigans hairtique, for collaborating with me on this video. I really enjoyed using these products, and I will be a returning customer. Thank you so much.